If you want to build a website but don't know how to code, this video will show you how to create one step by step using simple tools. A lot of beginners think building a website requires coding skills or hiring a developer. Modern AI tools to code and get accessible, simplify the process, no complex code needed. But today, many website builders allow you to create websites visually without writing any code. Tools like Webflow, Wix, and Squarespace let you just drag and drop elements to build your site. The process is simple and only takes a few basic steps. First, we use a tool like Figma to create a simple structure. This diagram shows the main pages connected. Step 1 is choosing a website builder that fits your needs. For designers, Framer is a great choice. Webflow is ideal for professional websites, and for beginners, try Wix. Step 2 is selecting a template that matches the type of website you want. For example, in Webflow or Wix, you can choose from a variety entire design process. Step 3 is editing the content like text, images, and buttons. In the editor, you can drag and drop images or use AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT generate. It's that simple to customize your site. Step 4 is organizing your page sections so the website is easy to navigate. Step 5 is publishing your website so people can visit it online. Click publish, and there we go. Your website is live. In just a short time, you can launch a professional website without writing any code. Tools like Framer and Webflow let you design and publish a site just by using a simple drag and drop interface. So remember, choose a builder, pick a template, edit the content, organize the layout, and publish your site. If you want more simple tutorials about websites, AI tools, and content creation, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.